Mastering the passive voice in present perfect tense. Hello, English learners. Welcome back to our grammar series. Today, we're diving into a specific, yet important part of English language usage: the passive voice in present perfect tense. Don't worry if it sounds a bit complicated. We'll break it down together and make it simple. Before we dive into the passive voice, it's essential to understand the present perfect tense. This tense is used when an action started in the past and has a connection to the present. It follows this formula: subject plus has, have plus past participle, V3. For example, I have eaten an apple. She has completed her homework. Passive voice is a grammatical construction where the object of an action becomes the subject of a sentence. In simple terms, instead of saying, John did something, we'd say, something was done by John. It emphasizes the action and the receiver of the action, rather than who performs it. It's often used in formal writing, reports, and when the doer of the action is unknown or irrelevant. Now, when we combine present perfect tense with the passive voice, we follow this formula: subject plus has, have plus been plus past participle, V3. For example, let's turn "she has completed her homework" into passive voice. Her homework has been completed. As you can see, the focus shifts from she to her homework, which is now the subject. Here are some more examples. The project has been finished. Passive, instead of we have finished the project. Active, a decision has been made. Passive, instead of they have made a decision. Active. Remember, using the passive voice in present perfect tense allows you to focus more on the action or result of an action, rather than who performed it. And that's it for today, learners. By mastering the passive voice in present perfect tense, you'll be able to vary your sentences, emphasize different parts of your sentences, and make your English sound more fluent and natural. Practice it, and you'll get the hang of it in no time. See you in our next lesson. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing and improving, one step at a time. Happy learning!